So I was doing some work on my car here, and I've got a problem with the fog lamps. When I bought this car, I was told the fog lamps couldn't be adjusted. They were just sticking up in the air too much. And it's got fog lamps just down here in the bottom corners. As you can see, that's the style it uses. And I've discovered an interesting problem. So you've got this panel here you've got to take off. You've got like a pin you pull out. Right, so you've got to turn it and pull it out. And then you can slide that panel sideways to get it out from that clip. And then you can pull this out of the way. And then once you pull that out of the way, you can see the fog lamp, which is the back there. And if you look carefully, you can see it's got two parts which are facing upwards. That's not right. They should both be facing downwards. The tooth piece there, that should actually be facing downwards because that's the adjustment, which is supposed to be accessible through a hole in the bottom of the panel underneath. So you should be able to stick a screwdriver up there and adjust the angle by turning a screwdriver. So here's the fog lamp out, and you can see it's got an R on there. R means right hand, and that is on the left hand side. And you can see it's all this water in there. This could be a problem. We'll see if it corrodes or not. That seems like that's what's wrong. It's got an R. That should be in the other side of the car, not the left hand side. And this is not right, is it? So here is the one that was on the right hand side. You can see it's got an L on there. That's on the left hand side. They've both been put in the wrong way around. Who did that?